Hi, welcome to Starbucks Secret Valentine's Day Frappuccino menu. The Valentine Frappuccino and the Love Bean Frappuccino, the Java Berry Frappuccino, Hey, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. I am having a great rainy morning. It's a little bit cool but subtle cool. I was in Starbucks, it's a little bit warm there, but now I'm here and I'm gonna try this Starbucks Secret Valentine's Day Frappuccino menu. I really hope you're doing well and enjoying this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Okay, we're here to try 3 different kinds of Frappuccino from the secret menu. The first one is the Valentine's Frappuccino. This is the first one. This is the Strawberry Cream Frappuccino. Yeah, you could taste the strawberry. It's very, very good. It's very creamy. Of course, it's a frap. Actually, I think it's the raspberry that you can taste. You could definitely feel the bits of raspberry in here, so it makes it extra pink. You can see some of the pink ones here. Has vanilla bean in the middle. Yes, there is a hint of vanilla. And blackberry on top. The next one is the Love Bean Frappuccino. It's very vanilla based. It is because it's a vanilla bean Frappuccino. And it has that raspberry pumps, so that's a little bit pink. Actually purple. I think it's purple more than pink. But the chocolate and vanilla mixture makes it super good. I think this is more of my favorite. Like if I'm gonna indulge, this would be my favorite. And yeah, you have the chocolate curls on top, so you could feel the chocolate flavor. The last one is this Java Berry Frappuccino. Okay, let's try it now. Very coffeelicious. Basically, this is a Java chip Frappuccino. So you could taste the coffee. There's a raspberry infused cream. So this is best for morning coffee. It really wakes you up. It's so good. Starbucks is saying that there are more than 36,000 ways to customize a Frappuccino. And it's up to you how you want to make your frap. So good luck! And try this Valentine Starbucks Frappuccino. Thanks for watching!